Well, good morning from the workshop. Sitting there working on a couple of coffee scoops, and we're working on the bowl a minute ago. It's an old piece of maple. Really got a nice color to it. It laid out there on the ground out there for a long time, and need to kind of thin that out just a little bit. Pretty good. And a lot of people ask what we seal them with and stuff, and they use 13 Chef's food grade mineral oil, and we mix it with whole coffee grounds. So speaking of coffee grounds, coffee in general, we are going to be testing a new coffee from Pine and Steel here in a few minutes. We'll take a coffee break, and we'll see you in a minute. Here's some of the theme spoons that we've been working on for a bit, and here's the USA 250 spoon. I call this the see-through spoon, the Route 66 spoon, and the sword handle spoon, and our ship spoon. We still got a ways to go on it, but let's go take a coffee break. Today's coffee break is going to be sponsored by Pine and Steel Ironclad Bourbon Limited Edition. So let's go brew some up. Alright, we're going to have ourselves a cup of coffee on our spoon carving break, and this is from Pine and Steel, and this will be the Ironclad Bourbon. The aroma is absolutely incredible, so we'll let that old coffee pot do its thing. Alright, the coffee pot is brewing away. I tell you what, we got Blue Jays, Cardinals, sparrows, Carolina chickadees, doves, and everything else over there in the bird breath. I don't know if you can see them or not, but over that way. But anyway, the star of the show is the coffee at the moment. Nothing quite like the sound of coffee brewing, is it? And I tell you what, the aroma coming off of this is absolutely incredible. Ironclad Bourbon. There's that sound. It's almost coffee break time. Yeah, that rumble you hear in the sky is the U.S. Air Force, Langley Air Force Base, doing this thing. The aroma is just unbelievable. It's incredible. Pretty active place. Birds, squirrels, Air Force jets, and coffee, and spoon carving. Yeah, the breeze is blowing the aroma, steam right back at me. It's incredible. Yeah, almost ready to go. Got ourselves a couple of cups. We're not gonna put any creamer or sugars or anything. I was gonna drink it black so we get the actual taste of it. All right, there we go. We're gonna take ourselves a couple sips and finish the rest of it. But very wonderful color. It smells incredible. All right. Oh wow, that's incredible. And pine and steel, ironclad bourbon. I'd say this is a hit. This is awesome. So we'll finish our coffee and get back to some spoon carving. For those that follow our carving, coffee scoops and stuff like that, you know that we take old coffee grounds and we put it up in our preservative tank there with the food safe mineral oil. So ironclad bourbon from pine and steel will be part of future projects for quite some time. All right, let's go over here and put the coffee grounds in our stain tank, or stain jar, I should say. A little dark in here, but that's all right. And there we go. We got our coffee grounds, and it will be part of future projects for a good long time. There's coffee grounds in there. There's a food grade mineral oil in there from 13 chefs, bought at Amazon's Food Safe. Maintain, protect, and restore. So, there you go. So we'll get busy doing some more spoon carving here in a few minutes. So we've had our break. Really getting hot out here now, so we'll finish up our little scoop bowl here, and I'll be heading out of the workshop. Hopefully you enjoyed our coffee break, and we tend to do that quite often, and usually we don't broadcast or record the coffee break, but in this case I think it was worth it, and we're gonna work and finish on this one too. Needs a little bit of drying, but then we kind of scoop that out a little bit more and shave that down.